You're the lump in my throat, you're the reason I choke on the words that I wish I had said. You're the feeling of home, smell of smoke on my coat, miss you over and over again. Everybody says I'll survive, I'll be fine, but they don't know what it's like. If it doesn't wake you up in the violent sweat and steal your breath, if it doesn't make a cut that just won't close, it wasn't love, so let me go. Did you learn how to drive? Are you somewhere tonight with someone trying to paint over me? Oh, it hurts but it should, it hurts but it's good, 'cause the best kind of love scars deep. If it doesn't wake you up in the violent sweat and steal your breath, if it doesn't make a cut that just won't close, it wasn't love, so let me go. So let me go. So let me go. I'll survive, I'll be fine, but they don't know what it's like. If it doesn't wake you up in the violent sweat, steal your breath, if it doesn't make a cut that just won't close, it wasn't love, so let me go.